Need to fix ChatGPT account has been deleted or deactivated. In order for you to fix this issue, first thing first, all you gotta do is move into the web browser that you usually use, the ChatGPT site. Let me move into Chrome for now. Once you are in the home page, click on this three-dot icon over here. And then click on History. All of the browsing history will be visible to you. In this page, all you gotta do is, you have to delete the browsing history of chatgpt.com. All you gotta do is tap and hold the site, and then click on Delete. Likewise, search for ChatGPT in the search bar, and then delete all the website. Once you've deleted, go back and then try refreshing the page. Now search for the website ChatGPT. This should fix the issue that you have been facing. If not, head over to Gmail. Once you are in this page, click on Compose. Make sure you are logged into your account associated with your ChatGPT account. Once you're in this page, in this section you need to enter the mail of ChatGPT. Enter support@openai.com. Once you have entered the email address, now in the subject section, simply enter Reactivating my ChatGPT account. And in the Compose section, if you do not know what to write, you can copy and paste the thing that I have just written. Also, you need to enter the name and also your registered email address associated with your account. Once you are done, click on the send icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.